Students, once again, welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today, my topic is the story of Louis Pasteur, chapter 7, page number 30. I already taught. Okay, and today I am going to teach page number 31. Now, let's take out the book, New Radiant Reader. Now, I already taught you this page number 30. Now let's recap a little. Okay, it was a story about a French boy whose name was Louis Pasteur. He trained himself as a scientist. At first he worked as a problem in chemistry, making discoveries for which he became famous. Now let's start from this part. Okay, he discovered that when milk, wine or beer sours, the change is brought about by the presence of certain bacteria, very tiny and simple living plants like things that cannot be seen through the naked eye. Pasteur was able to observe them through his microscope. Now Pasteur started studying the very tiny bacteria through his microscope. Okay, he found that the bacteria that cause souring can be killed by heat. Okay, how can the bacteria be killed? Bacteria can be killed by heat, by raising the temperature a certain amount for a certain length of time. Heat treatment. Now look at this line, heat treatment. Okay, heat treatment of wine, beer, milk, etc. is still carried out today, and in honor of Pasteur it is known as pasteurization. As we all respect Pasteur, okay, so it is called pasteurization. Heat treatment of wine, beer, milk, etc. is still carried out today. Okay, and as we respect Pasteur, therefore we call it pasteurization. We know that pasteurization destroys not only bacteria that cause souring but also germs that cause disease to human beings. Okay, look, another important line, this pasteurization destroys not only bacteria that cause souring but also germs that cause disease to human being. Now let's start from here. Another field in which Pasteur worked as a scientist was the study of disease germs. The germs of certain diseases bacteria, but other diseases are caused by viruses, which is too small to be seen with the kind of microscope that was used in Pasteur's time. Okay, because during Pasteur's time microscope was not so advanced. Okay, Pasteur studied a number of animal disease. Okay, Pasteur also studied a number of animal disease. One of these disease was anthrax. Okay, one of these disease was anthrax, a disease which can also affect men. Okay, a disease which can also affect men. At that time, anthrax killed many sheep and cattle in France. Pasteur discovered how to grow anthrax bacteria that were much less powerful than those found in diseased animals. He showed by experiment that if animals were inoculated with the weakened bacteria and then infected with really powerful bacteria, they would not die. Okay, this is another important line. Okay, Pasteur showed by experience that if animals were inoculated with the weakened bacteria and then if infected with powerful bacteria, they would not die. Pasteur's idea of protecting people against diseases by inoculating them with much weakened bacteria or viruses, nowadays in some cases with dead bacteria, has been worked upon by other scientists, and today we can be inoculated against typhoid, diphtheria and other diseases. Clear? Now it is because of Louis Pasteur we are now today free from many things. Okay, now only up to this much, and in my next video I'll continue with this chapter. Okay, until then, goodbye.